Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on network marketing. Before we proceed any further, do note that we publish 3 marketing videos daily on YouTube. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the definition of network marketing. The basis of network marketing business model is the person-to-person sales by individual spokesperson that generally work from home. A network of salespeople or business partners may be needed in network marketing business that will help close sales and generate leads. What is network marketing? Multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing, consumer direct marketing, referral marketing are some other names of network marketing. Therefore, word-of-mouth marketing and referrals are to be used by multi-level marketing salespeople to directly sell products to end-user retail customers. How does network marketing work? The model includes 2 revenue streams. Followers of the network marketing model generally have different levels of salespeople. The salespeople of these companies hire other salespeople to work under them. The 2 revenue streams are: first, money through sales of product services you sell. When distributors first start out, this part typically makes up the majority of their revenue. Next comes the commission of sales made by team members downlines. Over time, once distributors have expanded their network through recruitment of downlines, this typically overtakes the revenue made from the individual distributor sales. In addition to the commission from their own sales, commission from the sales of the tire created by them, the downline, are also earned by the new level creators, that is the upline. If the new tire creates another tire, the commission of all tires above the newest ones increases. Therefore, recruitment along with product sales are the basis of salespeople's earnings. Moving on to network marketing advantages. A modest amount of investment can be used by an individual with exceptional sales skills and the appropriate energy to create a business that is profitable. Whereas the disadvantage includes a shame that is attached to network marketing related to businesses with different levels is that they are pyramid schemes. Through lower levels, the topmost level of salespeople can make a lot of money. Moving on, network marketing, is it legal? A lot of pyramid schemes try to look like MLM businesses in places where MLMs have not been banned. Why is pyramiding dangerous? These pyramid plans that make money through recruitments fail when they run out of distributors to recruit. In the end, most people in the sales chain end up broke apart from the ones at the very top. For instance, Bangladeshi government made foreign and domestic multi-level marketing trade illegal in 2015. As far as China is concerned, some jurisdictions, including China, have banned multi-level marketings and are considered variations of pyramid schemes. Saudi Arabia has levied religious fatwa nationwide and also made multi-level marketing illegal. Amway, Oriflame, Mary Kay, Herbalife, and other such multi-level marketing companies do not sell through multi-level marketing but instead sell their products online. United States, all 50 United States have multi-level marketing businesses operating in them. Terms like affiliate marketing or home-based business franchising are used by such businesses. All multi-level marketings are considered to be pyramid schemes by many sources irrespective of them being legal. The US Federal Trade Commission states, steer clear of multi-level marketing plans that pay commissions for recruiting new distributors. They are actually illegal pyramid schemes. Now let's look at network marketing companies. First, Avon Products. An example of a multinational marketing company is Avon, or Avon Products that specialize in household, beauty and personal care products. In 2019, Avon earned $5.57 billion in annual sales worldwide. It is the 14th largest beauty company and with 6.4 million representatives is the second largest direct selling enterprise in the world after Amway. Next, Mary Kay. The privately owned company Mary Kay is a multi-level marketing business. The multi-level marketing model is used by Mary Kay to sell cosmetics. According to Direct Selling News, Mary Kay was the 6th largest network marketing company in the world in 2018 with a wholesale volume of $3.25 billion. Next in line, Amway. The American company Amway, also known as American Way, is a multi-level marketing business specializing in beauty, health and home care goods. In 2019, Amway with its sister companies made $8.4 billion in sales. It operates affiliated businesses in and over about 100 territories and countries. Amway has been investigated in various countries and by institutions such as the Federal Trade Commission for alleged pyramid scheme practices, but it has never been found guilty, though it has paid tens of millions in dollars to settle these suits. Next, Tupperware. The American multinational company Tupperware Brands Corporation is a multi-marketing business. Household and kitchen products are its main focus. Their plastic containers for food preparations and storage are their specialty. Next, Herbalife. The multi-level marketing corporation Herbalife Nutrition makes and trades dietary supplements. In 1980, Mark Hughes founded the company and globally employed around 8,900 people. Its headquarters is in Los Angeles, California, and is incorporated in the Cayman Islands. 94 countries have Herbalife operating in them with around 4.5 million employees and distributors. And finally, one of the network marketing scams. Company Speak Asia. Scam amount. Total money collected by Speak Asia in a span of 18 months, somewhere between 2010 and 2011, was about 2,300 crores. Total payouts assured by the company to investors to the tune of Rs 30,000 crores. What was the scam? Web subscriptions were sold by Speak Asia for Rs 11,000 per subscription, amounts to about $150. Investors were promised Rs 52,000 as yearly payment in exchange for filling survey forms for multinational companies. 2 survey forms along with an account and password for the company's site was provided to the victims. Rs 8,000 was paid to them for filling 2 forms monthly. Bringing in new memberships would give the victim an additional Rs 1,000 to the commissions earned on the new members' survey forms. Speak Asia closed down by the middle of 2011 in India after paying a few investors. Approximately 2.4 million were deceived, owing about Rs 2,300 crores by 10. Senior employees of the company went into hiding after several investors all around the country filed cases against them and the company. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on network marketing. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel, where you'll witness 3 new videos daily. Additionally, if you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.